Hello, Excellence family. It's Danny Barnes and Madeline King. Welcome to Mortgage Monday. Hope everybody's doing well, staying safe out there. And today we want to talk a little bit about market conditions and rates also. So at this point in time, I'd love to turn it over. Madeline, hope you're doing well. Madeline, did you have a good weekend?
I did. The weather wasn't great down here, but it was a nice weekend, all in all. So it was not
Cool.
bad. And thank you, Danny. And hello, Excellence Realty partners and friends and family. And yeah, like Danny mentioned, we want to go over about, market changes and stuff. And I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe, especially now that things are starting to open up on the outside again. Here at Excellence Mortgage, everyone is back in the office and we're all respecting each other's space. We all have our offices, so we're good. We're happy to be back.
It's good to be back.
Yeah. So as restrictions start to lift a little bit in regards to businesses and the opening up and everybody getting back to work, lenders are also reacting to that, and they're reacting to the changes, and they have begun to ease up a little bit on some of the restrictions, or what is referred to in the industry as overlays. Okay, so we are seeing the guidelines loosen up. They had tightened, they had been a little bit more restricted, like we're talking about, because of all of the conditions that we were going through, but they're being loosened up and they're falling back into the regular guidelines. So that's good, because we're seeing
Great
a little
news.
bit of we're seeing a little bit of getting back to normal. So we're happy about that. Okay. More good news, along with the norms falling back into place, rates are also starting to bounce back. I know there was talk that rates were extremely low. Well, that wasn't exactly the truth on across the board, but rates are now starting to fall back and they are doing well. So we're happy to see rates normalize and market conditions stabilize. So we are really happy about the rates coming down a little bit, to what we were used to, which is in the threes. And that's great. So we're happy about that, and they're starting to reflect on conventional conforming rates, like I mentioned, are like now in the threes. So that's really a positive thing. And as far as FHA financing, I know we touched on this last time that we met, and we are still doing FHA. We're still doing them well, with lower scores as well. So don't be afraid of your FHA clients. Those are still strong, and we have, like we said, mentioned, forged new relationships, and we're still doing them with scores even below 600. So nothing to shy away from on FHA, and rates are good as well there. So another thing I wanted to mention, Danny, is refinances. I know realtors are very much in as far as purchases, but refinances are a good opportunity for your borrowers who may be looking to refinance or need some cash for another purchase. And the time to refinance is now. We have had some great successes with refinances recently. As I mentioned, rates are somewhere in the low threes. So, and of course, with scores, 700 and above, but they're actually a good opportunity because rates have been in the 5s and 6s or even in the 4s. And when you're coming down to refinance, even for a cash out, it's a great opportunity. Get yourself some money and think about buying an investment property or a second home or moving into your next property. So refinances can be used for all, when you cash out, on all different types of purposes. And just to give you an example of some of the ones that we've done recently, last week we closed three cash out refinances with rates at 3.375, and that's cash out. Okay, cash out that can be used for a down payment on another purchase, and this has been the same with several refinances. Okay, it's a good opportunity. Another refinance we did was we saved a borrower about approximately $1,200. Yes, that is correct. $1,200. That was an 80-20 transaction they had, which was they purchased with an 80 and a 20% second, and we were able to combine them in rates in the threes, and it was $1,200 savings. So those refinances are still out there, and they were very happy. So please take advantage of that. And maybe if your borrowers who may have been short on cash before, are ready to do that now. And even for yourself or your friends and your family, it's a great opportunity to consider a refinance right now. We are doing really well. We've helped a lot of customers and saving a lot of money because rates have now, again, low threes. This is a great option. So, take a look at that. If we can possibly save you some money, just reach out and we'll run the numbers and we'll let you know how that is. Okay.
All right. Anything else you'd like to add?
Just here for you guys. I always mention that. I want you to, rest assured we're here, we're working, we're doing our best to get your loans closed quickly. I know that COVID has caused some delays, but we are pushing through and getting them through, and things are beginning to normalize and stabilize. So, any questions or any issues you might have or any concerns you think you want to check before, reach out, and we're here to help.
Awesome. Well, listen, it's good to see you. Thanks for Mortgage Monday again today, and thanks for everybody else for joining. As always, our motto, together moving forward, and that's what we're going to do. So have a great rest of your Monday, everybody. Thanks again, Madeline, and I'll see you in a week or two.
All right. Take care. Thanks, guys.